Thank you. Yeah, late Adegoke Abiodun Fatai was a teacher in Shawon High School and a member of Nigerian of Teacher, a dedicated one at that. Over the weekend, the news of his demise got to us at the state office, where a publication was released through a WhatsApp platform alleging that the man was attacked to death by his students while attempting to correct them of a wrong behavior. It came to us as a rude shock, and immediately the workings of the Nigerian of Teacher will have it in a kind of organogram where we have the branch officers, the state officer, and the national officer. So at that point in time, we have to get across to the branch officers in Ogbomoso, precisely the zonal chairman of Ogbomoso and one of our national officer, who is also a teacher in Ogbomoso, a principal in Ogbomoso.
That Mr. Adegoke Fatai Abiodun, when ran as a duty teacher, went around the classes, and he met 4 boys playing in an empty classroom. So they were there playing what? So that when he got to know that they are playing what, and of course of which it is against the rule of the school, so I had to call them to a place to interrogate them further, and it was discovered that they are gambling. So when he narrowed me, because one of the boys is a son to his friend, so because of that he has to wait to call them, at least to scold them. So now in an attempt to do that, that boy raised his elbow, so his hand accidentally hit that elbow, and immediately the hand got swollen, and the school took him to the hospital for the treatment. And in about 2-3 days, and he returned back home that very day with the medication to maintain, to stabilize him for that day. So all this while he has to come. Before then he has to come for the permission to go to the hospital for checkup, because he was once served at the Tescom Sona office at Ogbomoso here, and during that period he had an accident while going to the headquarters at Ibadan. So that along the way he has been nursing that ailment for so long, and that on May 28, 2022 he was posted to this place, and since then the record is there to prove that he has been going for checking for medical checkup at the hospital.
Was given a prompt attention, although I was made to know that he attended some local assessments to correct the injury, but that was not the main thing. After the incident, we took steps in ensuring that the discipline of the school is maintained. We called the stakeholders meeting in the school. We invited the whole students, the parents, the staff, the students, where all of the students in the school signed an undertaking that they will be of good behavior. Aside from that, I came with my team and my directors and the LIA to address the students on 2 occasions, so that this incidence of truancy will be reduced to the barest minimum. So in a nutshell, it wasn't the boy that caused or his action of that day that led to the demise of Mr. Fatai. It was just unfortunate that the incident he had over the years led to, the medical people call it bone marrow cancer, and he's been receiving treatment on this. Had that injury since 2017, and he has been nursing it before then. And we don't know, it's just because even the incident of the student happened May 28, 2025. His demise came on November 4. That was last week Tuesday. And since the incidents came, everybody has been up and down, going to the family, coming to the school and the likes.
Ìrànlọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n lè ṣe lórí family ni pé lóòótọ́ èmi àtàwọn méjèèjì tá wà náà ní tá kù, torí àwọn méjì ti padà, mẹ́rin ni àwọn ṣùgbọ́n àwọn méjì ti padà. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n lè ṣe pé láti fi ràn mí lọ́wọ́ lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí tí wọ́n fi gòkè. A pé àwọn tí mo bí lé àwọn nípa àwọn méjì wọ́n ti kú, àwọn méjì tí wọ́n kù ní nípa àwọn méjì tí wọ́n ṣẹ́kù ní òun ní kẹ́sì ràn mí lọ́wọ́ bí.
Wálé mọ kámẹ́rà ni. They can't walk. I know you should. You don't want to take. I'm